here's our first example using that idea of compound interest. We deposit $3,500 into an account that's earning 2.5% annual interest. Find the balance after 4 years if the interest is compounded quarterly. So here's that keyword we want to look for, is compounded. When we see this, we know we're going to use this equation over here. And there's lots of variables up there, so let's figure out what each one stands for. Now the A is going to be, the amount after so many years, so that's what we're trying to figure out. The P value, though, we know that. Our P is the principal amount that we start with, or that we deposit initially, which is $3,500. The R is our rate as a decimal. So if we look at our percent, move that decimal over 2 spots to get a .025. The N stands for number of compounds per year. We're compounding quarterly, so quarterly means that's going to happen 4 times a year, so our N value is a 4. And our T is time. How many years are we talking? In this problem, it is 4 years. So now we just go and we fill in our information into the formula. A equals 3,500 times 1 plus .025 divided by 4 raised to the 4 times 4 power. So in simplifying this, we want to start out in the parentheses. And I would go to this decimal, .025 divided by 4. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a calculator. .025, divide that by 4. And we get .00625. We can go ahead and add 1 to that right now to have the 1.00625. We're going to raise that to the 16th power, that 4 times 4, and then multiply by 3,500 in the end. So if we take that decimal, and here's my exponent button, so that means it's going to take the answer of 1.00625 raised to the 16th power, and we get 1.104827038. Now the more decimals we use in our problem, the more accurate our answer will be. So I'm just going to go ahead and use all of those, then I know I'll have a really nice answer. 1.104827038. And then we want to multiply that by 3,500 for our final answer to see how much money's in there after 4 years. So on the calculator, I can just go ahead and hit times, because now it's taking that answer, multiplying it by 3,500. And here's going to be our answer. $3,866.89. So 386689. 3866. And I'm stopping at 89 because my final answer, we are talking money, so that's, dollars and cents, just 2 spots after that decimal. So we started out with $3,500, and in the end end up with $3,866.89. So about $366 is what we earn in interest from this account over 4 years.